Being a home carer for a loved one can be time-consuming, as you may need to be vigilant in case they fall or have a tendency to wander. Cura1's 3508 pager allows you to pair up to 3 cordless devices to monitor at-risk movement. It has a range of up to 50 meters, line of sight, to allow you to go about your everyday tasks confident that you will be aware when you are needed. Choose the devices to best suit your requirements. Chair pads, bed pads, floor mats, door contacts, I-beam motion sensors, and even wearable pendants. The equipment is easy to use and inexpensive, allowing you to complete tasks without having to have eyes on your loved one 24/7. Performance Health. Contact us on 1300 473 422 or visit our website for more information.